No, ouch, that's too hard.
All cats are kittens.
Yeah, I know. Dude, that's too hard. Too hard. No.
It's only your siblings over here. They're just minding their own business, being weird elsewhere. Oh my gosh.
I know, baby. I know. It smells so good, and I have no idea why.
It's like you sweat catnip.
Honestly, that's what it feels like sometimes, because they get so, like...
just have a hairball, I think. Yeah.
Oh god, at least this was not like biting my armpit. Yeah, I know.
Yet.
I know. It just smells so good for some reason.
Oh, jeez.
Some of them just really like my armpits.
And your face.
That's,
Hello, baby.
Angus, right?
Yeah, that's Angus and Alamo over there.
These little guys are so cute too, the deacons, oh my gosh. And our kittens.
They are so cute and they're very spicy.
Just like their mom, huh?
Yeah. So this one's a Rapunzel.
No, baby.
I can't read the sign very well. It's too far.
Just like... They smell like your mama or something? Is that it? Do they smell like a kitty mama?
Rapunzel, where's your hair? It's so short. I can't climb up of it.
Don't hiss at me. You're the one shoving your face in my armpit. You don't get to hiss at me.
No, there's another baby behind you.
Oh, like up a little?
Huh? Oh, he's that one over there. He was right behind you when she hissed. Ooh.
Goodness, you guys are really spicy.
Yeah.
Dude, it's okay. Chill out, baby.
So scary. So scary. Other kittens are scary. Look how threatening she is.
You getting down? You getting down so I can check and see what it did to my arm?